All right, guys, so today we're going to be comparing two different Skills 4-volt rechargeable screwdrivers. Now, this one uses a USB-C to charge here. This one uses a micro USB. So a little bit of difference, but they both come with chargers. This is the Twist 2.0. Basically, it's a button, so you forward, reverse. You have the adjustable head here, so you can do this at an angle. And then here you can adjust the power. So it's only 4 volts, so I usually run it on high power anyways, but those are kind of your options here. This is a nice little screwdriver especially for putting together, well, both of these work really well for putting furniture together, things like that, small jobs. Easy to twist it here. Holding it, usually you're doing this, and then you have your bit holder here. You also have the LED light here. You can put any bit in there, any 1/4-inch bit in there, but it comes with 2 bits here that you can use as well. Now, this is also a Skills 4-volt rechargeable, a little different style. The head does not move on it, but like I said, it is rechargeable. It uses a micro USB, and it does come with a cord. What I like about this one here, the mechanism is not the button, it's a twist right or left. And it holds more like a screwdriver. So right, left here. When you turn that, it does come, your LED lights turn on, which is nice. The bit holder, again, a little bit different. This one doesn't tighten it in as well. It can easily be pulled out, or it's not likely to fall out, but if you're caught on a screw, could pull it out. This one, we're going to pull that down and then pull our bit out, and then you'll see this is more like an impact driver, impact wrench, something like that. But like I said, it does twist the mechanism here. This one also has a non-contact voltage detector, which I like a little bit better, because a lot of times if I'm putting up a ceiling fan or I'm putting in an outlet or something, this is where I'm going to use this. And I've got the voltage detector right there. And I always have a voltage detector on hand when I'm doing those tasks. So that is one thing I do like. I'm going to show you how the voltage detector here works here in a second. So let me get a cord here real quick. All right, so here I do have a cord. I have it plugged in, and you'll see, we're just going to push down on this button. You'll see that red light flash. And as we get close to it, you'll see the red light comes on, and it'll kind of make a noise. Now, this is I'm more likely going to use this to determine hot and neutral wires. But it does, like I said, it works on a cord or something like this, simply because the hot and the neutral are so close together. Now, you can also put this up next to an outlet, and it'll tell you if the outlet's hot or not. So I do like that as well. This, again, is a nice little tool. I think I have both of them, but I get more use out of this, mainly because, again, I like the handle a little bit better, a little bit more ergonomic for me, and I like that non-contact voltage detector. But I do use this as well, but just not as much. But both of them are nice to have around the house. Again, great for putting together small furniture and doing small tasks.